In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a database in Notion. We'll walk through this slowly so you know exactly what you're doing and don't accidentally remove the wrong thing. Make sure you're already logged into your Notion workspace and you're starting from the home screen. First, you need to open the page that contains the database you want to delete. On your home screen, look for the sections labeled Recent or My Pages. These areas show pages you've opened recently or pages you own. Find the page that holds the database you want to remove and click to open it. Once that page loads, you should see your database somewhere on the page. Now, you'll need to identify what kind of database it is because the way you delete it depends on that. Notion databases are usually either inline or full page. If the database appears as part of a larger page, maybe above or below other content like text or images, that's an inline database. Hover your mouse over the top left area of that database, near its title. As you hover, you should see a 6-dot handle appear to the left of the database name. This small handle is what you use to select and manage the entire database block. If the database is a full-page database instead, it will usually take up the entire page and also show as its own item in the sidebar on the left. In that case, your focus will be on the sidebar because that's where you'll delete it from. For an inline database, once you see that 6-dot handle, click it. A menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, choose Delete. This tells Notion you want to remove that whole database block from the page. For a full-page database, go to the sidebar on the left, find the name of the database, and right-click on it. In the menu that appears, select Delete. This removes the database as a standalone page from your workspace. As soon as you delete it, Notion will move the database to the trash. It doesn't vanish permanently right away, which is helpful if you realize you deleted the wrong thing. You can go to your Notion trash later to restore it or permanently delete it if you're sure you no longer need it.